This one I'm gonna show how to use the sum if function, and for this, of course, you can always start by just adding it in there. You can either choose to click up here or the actual cell, put the equal sign, and we're gonna go ahead and put sum if. It comes up right here, we're gonna click it, and of course you can put in all the conditions and the ranges and all that there, but I'm gonna open up this. And this is always going to tell you exactly what the formula or the function does. So the sum if adds the cells specified by a given condition or criteria. So right here in range, it'll tell you what you can put in, the criteria, the sum range. So for the range, we're going to go ahead and it says, is the range of cells you want evaluated? Okay, in this example, we want to evaluate these codes that represent meters, poles, wires, and substations. The criteria is I want it to sum up only the substations. So we're going to put 104. So in this list, I only want it to tell me what the total price is or sum up only the 104s, because I only want to know what the substations is, so that's the criteria. And then the sum range, it's going to be what I want summed, which I wanted to basically sum up the quantity of the sell price. So the result is here, and I'm gonna put done, and boom, it's done right there. So that's pretty much there, and it'll show basically my formula or my function up there. So the next one's going to be the profit margin on the next video.